Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. Actually, I am back after a long period of time. In this particular video, I am going to make these cute looking Rakhis. Actually, they are eco-friendly Rakhis made with simple air dry clay. Let's begin with the Rakhi making process. So let's jump into the Rakhi making process. This is a very easy process. Now I am using Febigrill molded clay. This is a air dry clay. So we have to mix two components of this clay. One is resin base and second one is hardener. So I am gently mix them all. Actually, it is kind of like atta makha and ruti bela. And in this dusting process we are using talcum powder. Please don't judge me how I am doing this thing. And lots of people have a doubt that what we do with the leftover what we do with the leftover clay. Actually they are gonna dry very fast. We use this leftover clay for making any anything, just like key holders or key shades or key ring or any kind of decorative item. We can use this leftover wet clay. Now I am cutting some simple shapes using this scale and cutter. I am using a cutter. You can use a normal knife. I am making different shapes from this roti. Actually this is not a gold roti, but whatever, we'll ignore this shape of this clay roti. I am cutting 1 inch kind of squares. I'm cutting 1 inch squares. You can want as much as you can, but I am not making the lot of rakhis. And make sure to make a hole in this rakhi shapes or different shapes, otherwise you are going to get a big trouble, as we have to put some threads or strings inside that rakhi. That's why we have to make these small little grooves or holes in these small rakhi shapes. The thing, so let them dry for a couple of hours. So since this is a very rainy outside, this is monsoon going on, so humidity is very high. That's why it's taking long time to dry. Otherwise this clay will dry within 40 minutes. So it's time for coloring. I am applying a little bit of white acrylic paint in this base layer. Now I am using different shade of acrylic colors. You can see right here. Now you can use any color, any pattern, anything you want, but we are using a special kind of pattern for these cute looking rakhis. Actually they are eco-friendly rakhis, and I am using cotton threads and air dry clay, and they are also reusable rakhis. That means if the thread is broken down, then you can use these rakhis as a key ring or any other showpiece material. This is also used as a small cute looking paperweights. I am using different kind of colors in different shapes of Rakhis. Somewhere Bonsiana, somewhere Indian yellow, and somewhere any of white color and any color what I want. Now I am kind of drawing a cute Ganeshji just because my brother's name is Vinayak. So I want to give this Ganeshji to him. This is an abstract looking Ganeshji, not so much detailed. Just because I am the worst artist ever, that's why I cannot uh, make some small details in these small spaces. Lots of people can do this, but I cannot do. I'm so sorry. I'm so honest. Whatever. So there are some mistakes, recorrection and correcting those mistakes. Now our Ganeshji is kind of is kind of looking pretty and abstract. We are adding some small shadows, some little or minor details. Now our cute looking Ganeshji Rakhi is done. Similarly, I am making lots of Rakhis. You can see just I am showing one Rakhi in this particular video, and I don't want to make this video too long. I make almost 7 Rakhis using this clay, and what have I done with this leftover clay? I'll share this in any kind of short video. So stay tuned for these videos. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all, and please subscribe to my channel. Hope you like my cute looking Rakhis, and hope you enjoyed these Rakhis. Please make sure to subscribe my channel, and if you have tried this kind of Rakhis, then please DM me on Instagram or tag your homemade Rakhis and share your Raksha Bandhan story in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.